Hello, welcome to the Mission ESL Computer Lab. So here you can practice not only your ESL English skills, you could also do practice TOEFL exams and get some TOEFL information and practice. You can practice with Excel. You can practice typing also. You can practice a lot of video lessons. We have a lot of video lessons, a whole list of video lessons and listening lessons, as well as very specific writing and grammar lessons. First, if you'd like, your teacher could put you on an ESL interactive course. That could be the major activity when you come into the lab. We have a lot of really good interactive courses that would have you exercise all your skills. English grammar, English writing, speaking. On these courses you could record your voice, pronunciation, listening skills. So this is one example project success of a course that your teacher would put you on, depending on your level, where you can practice all the skills. And that might be the main course that you would do here. Of course, we have grammar. These are grammar courses and really wonderful writing courses. And all these specific sign-in courses are step-by-step courses, and depending on your level, you would go on writing power, for example, writing power 1, 2, or 3, or project success, English interactive, or World Link. These are all courses that are step-by-step and either very integrated or very specific, grammar or writing. We also have a lot of really interesting stories and listening, reading at the same time with specific, let me show you something, specific questions after you listen and read. These are also leveled. We also have very interesting course exercises in idioms and vocabulary that are links really on the page. So you will see a lot of activities and you could explore. But again, it would be really great if you could first start with an interactive course, and then you and your teacher can make a plan about other things you could do either during the 2 hours that you're in the lab or on different days. Another important thing that you need to know is that you're going to have a file folder, so you can write down what you finished the day before, so you won't forget because you might want to do something different the following day, like a TED Talk. These are really great TED Talks for more advanced students, and on these TED Talks, you will also see questions. Here, this particular one has 8 questions that make you think, and also test your comprehension. So that's really fun things you can do: vocabulary, listening and reading, plus your basic interactive step-by-step course. So again, you'll see that you will get a folder, and you'll see the importance of putting down what you finished in your, either with your course or with any other activity you do. So you could remember, especially with the step-by-step courses, where you stopped. For example, here's what one of the courses called Project Success 4. And if you look at Unit 5, Lesson 1, you can see there are a lot of activities in each lesson. There's vocabulary at the beginning to introduce you to the vocabulary that will be used. There's a video, listening, and even a pronunciation activity that you can do where you would listen to a recording and you would say it like that, the recording, and listen to your voice. So you could see the importance of being able to write down that you just finished Unit 5 of Project Success 4, Lesson 1, Activity 6. So the next day you go to Activity 6 or Lesson 2, Activity 1. These are kind of cool courses because you can see, here's an example of the pronunciation activity.
I need to get more exercise.
You'd have to record your voice. I need to get more exercise. And listen.
More exercise.
Whoops, I didn't wait long enough. Let's do it again.
You ought to use the gym at work.
Notice how the English speakers uses relaxed pronunciation, so you could try it like them.
You ought to use the gym at work.
You ought to use the gym at work. Stop.
You ought to use the gym at work.
Oh, that was pretty good. Anyway, so there are a lot of wonderful activities that you could do. That was just one particular activity. I'm going to leave this page. And there's grammar. You notice there's a reading activity, and it goes through vocabulary. And then there's listening activities again, and writing activities, and practical skills. So these courses are really good step-by-step courses. So enjoy and explore, and make sure you get your file folder from your teacher.